Today in this video, I am going to discuss you with the part 2nd of NCC's B certificate and C certificate examination, that is about weapon training. In the weapon training session, the characteristics of rifle is assembling method, its tripling method, the care and cleaning of rifles, its sight setting, etc. are ours. So it's very important to understand very detail about the weapons and its characteristics. In this syllabus for NCC's B certificate and C certificates, we have mainly 4 rifles to study. The first one is the .22 mm rifle. It is mainly classified into 2 rifles. We can discuss it later. Then the second rifle is 7.62 mm SLR. The 7.62 mm SLR. SLR means self-loading rifle. SLR means self-loading rifle. The third rifle is 5.56 INSAS. 5.56 INSAS. INSAS means Indian Small Arms System. Indian Small Arms Systems. Next, the fourth rifle is 7.62 mm LMG. 7.62 mm LMG or the light machine gun. These are the 4 main types of rifles we need to understand in very detail, because it is very important, because questions will be asked from these 4 rifles. And it is very important to study the full form or the expanded form of SLR, INSAS, LMG. Firstly, I am going to discuss you with the .22 mm rifle. The .22 mm rifle is mainly divided into 2. That is .22 mm number MK second rifle and .22 Dulux BA rifle. It is very important to make a comparison to study both the rifles. It will make our study very easy. So let's compare and study both the rifles. Okay, first .22 mm number MK second rifle and .22 Dulux BA rifle. The caliber, the characteristics. First, the caliber. The caliber is same for both the rifles, that is .22 mm and here also .22 mm. Caliber is same for both the rifles, .22 mm and .22 mm. Next, the ammunition. The ammunition is also same for both the rifles, that is .22 and .22. Clear? Both the caliber and ammunition is same for both the rifles, and that is .22 mm. Next, the length. The length of .22 mm number MK second rifle is 45 inches. This has to be noticed because this is 45 inches and the length of .22 Dulux rifle is 43 inches. So, please pay more attention to this. This is the length. That means the length of .22 mm number MK second rifle is 45 inches and the length of .22 Dulux rifle is 43 inches. Next, the number of grooves. The number of grooves is same for both the rifles, that is 6. Next, the magazine capacity. Magazine capacity is 10 rounds for .22 mm number MK second. And for the .22 Dulux rifle, it is 5 rounds. So, while giving attention to the length, we also need to give attention to magazine capacity of both the rifle, because the magazine capacity of first rifle is 10 rounds and magazine capacity of .22 Dulux rifle is 5 rounds. Then the muzzle velocity. The muzzle velocity is always same for both the rifle, that is 2700 per second. Here also 2700 per second is the magazine muzzle velocity. Next, the effective range. The effective range is 25 yards, 25 yards. Effective range is 25 yards, 25 yards. Next, maximum range. That is also same, 1700 yards and 1700 yards. The effective range and maximum range is also same, 25 yards effective range, maximum range 1700 yards for both the rifles. Next, the normal rate of fire is 5 rounds per minute. Here also 5 rounds per minute. Rapid rate of fire is 10 to 15 rounds per minute. Here for Dulux rifle it is also 10 to 15 rounds per minute. So, for length, for magazine capacity, we need to pay more importance, because these two are very different data, because the length of first rifle is 45 inches and for Dulux rifle it is 43 inches. Next, the magazine capacity of .22 mm number MK second rifle is 10 rounds and for .22 Dulux rifle it is 5 rounds. Rest of others are same for both the rifle. So please study the .22 mm rifle characteristics very well. It is clear that questions will came from this part. So please study it very clearly.